Okay, so 3.4 is finally going to get us to what we've been working toward. Okay, everything's been kind of funneling us toward this goal. When we have an equation that's a straight line, it says y equals mx plus b. Okay, this is in slope-intercept form. That's what y equals mx plus b means. Slope-intercept form. We're given a straight line with a slope and an intercept. Slope, intercept. Okay. So it turns out, if we make a table, we can graph this puppy. Okay. But we don't have to make a table. There's a really simple method that we can use for graphing this thing. Okay. And what we need one little tool that says the slope is equal to the rise over the run. Okay. What this means is that whatever number's up here is going to determine how much we're going to rise. The number down here is going to determine how much we're going to run. So I'm going to look at this first equation. Okay. That one right there. And I want to graph it. Well, I'm going to start off at my starting point. And my starting point is something I already know, which is the y-intercept, right? And the y-intercept is a -1. So I go to 0, -1, which is right there. That's my starting point. Now my slope is equal to the rise over the run, which is 2 over 3. So that means I'm going to rise 2, run 3. So I'm going to go rise 2, run 3. 1, 2, 3. Rise 2, 1, 2, run 3. 1, 2, 3. Rise 2, 1, 2, run 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? That right there is my straight line. Had I been able to keep everything within the lines. Okay. Quick way to graph. Well, sometimes we're given something that looks like this, where y equals 2x plus 2. And you go, well, there's a rise, but there isn't a run. Well, sort of, there is a run. Okay, our slope is equal to a 2. Well, we have to remember, all numbers are fractions. It's just that we're kind of lazy, so we don't write it down. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. So that means our rise is a 2, our run is a 1. Okay? So again, I start off at 0, 2, 0, 1, 2. Make my first data point. Now I'm going to rise 2, 1, 2, run 1. 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 Okay? I can do that as many times as I need or want. And there's my straight line. Okay? Let's look at this one. This one's a little bit different. So again, my slope is just a number. There's nothing underneath. Well, there is. There's a 1. It's -3 over 1. Okay? But remember, negative means opposite. Okay? So instead of rising, what's the opposite of rising? Falling. Okay? So again, we start off at the y-intercept, which is 8. So it'd be 0, 8, so 5. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to rise -3. Well, opposite of rise is fall. So we're going to fall 3. 1, 2, 3. But we're still going to run 1. 1. Fall 3. 1, 2, 3. Run 1. Fall 3. 1, 2, 3. Run 1. There is our straight line. Okay. Now notice, both of these were positive. Okay, 2/3 is positive, 2 is positive. Okay, they're both increasing. This one here is negative. Okay, it's decreasing.